There are 7 components in the container: robot body, power control cabinet, hydraulic power unit, vacuum material transfer pump, air receiver tank, water tank, winch. Equipment functions. Robot body enters the operation area to perform dredging work. Power control cabinet controls the vacuum pump and hydraulic power unit via signal receivers and other components. Hydraulic power unit provides the hydraulic power source for system actuation. Vacuum material transfer pump connected to the air tank and the robot through pipelines to realize material conveying. Air receiver tank stores and releases high-pressure air to supply high-pressure air for the vacuum material transfer pump. Water tank serves as cooling circulating water for the hydraulic power unit. Also supplies water for the high-pressure nozzles of the robot. Winch retracts and releases hydraulic pipelines. Extraction device used for dragging the robot in trapped conditions.
First open the side door and check that all internal connectors are properly connected. Then close the side door. Open the front door at the front of the electrical cabinet. Turn on the main switch 3P250A, then turn on the control circuit switch. Check that the indicator light on the cabinet door remains steadily lit. Take the remote control. Press and hold the remote control switch button at the bottom left corner until the screen lights up. Check that the top right corner of the remote control display shows connected. Press the equipment signal control switch at the bottom right corner of the remote control. Turn on the hydraulic station motor 1 switch. Then turn on the hydraulic station motor 2 switch. Note: after the equipment is started, all 3 knobs are set to the right. The leftmost black knob is the power switch for the air compressor. If the robot uses a vacuum pump for suction, the air compressor must run continuously to provide sufficient air supply for the vacuum pump. The robot can now be controlled forward, backward, left and right using the joystick. Forward. Push both joysticks upward. The robot moves forward. Backward. Push both joysticks downward. The robot moves backward. Right turn. Push the left joystick upward and the right joystick downward. The robot turns right. Left turn. Push the left joystick downward and the right joystick upward. The robot turns left.
Operating manual for vacuum sludge pumps. According to the requirements specified in the equipment parameters, connect the gas inlet, material inlet and material outlet of the equipment and ensure secure connection.